Start. It's 1 a.m. Catherine, you're still washing your face. Oh. Oh. The dogs have to sleep in the car. Blossom's at a vet clinic, having a sleepover in the round pen. We dropped her off in the night. KK. You're still watching. Go to bed. You have to go past the danger zone, though. Oh, gosh.
Ooh.
Day 1.
It was so long. Blossom's foot is crooked.
Blossom's foot's crooked, oh yeah. Good thing she's at the vet. We could have her looked at. Poor Blossom. She got lots of breaks, though.
She did. Yeah. Where are we?
I don't know. It's something about a Spaniard.
There's fork. There's a. It's a fork. Spanish fork?
Spanish. No. Fort?
Fork.
Melanie said flower. Spaniard flower? Where are we? We're somewhere past Provo. I know we went past Provo.
We're past Provo.
Melanie, what was the name of it?
Provolone.
No.
Provolone. What is it? Fork. Provolone?
Provolone Fork. That's where we are.
You're in the room.
Yeah. I'm trying to tickle. I'm using this. What is it? This is your lotion.
Oh, good.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Say goodnight. Day 1. Good night, Kay. Say goodnight.